Good morning, everybody. Who's excited for free shipping and handling? It is a little before 10 a.m. I was just on sharing the store and more. I'm over at the Q, and I had no idea, first of all, that the whole day was going to be on free shipping and handling, so that's amazing, but that the store and more was going to be on sale. You guys, like, if you have been waiting for this, this is the time to get it, because I have to say, it's the most affordable it's ever been. Hey, Matthew, Angelo. Hi, Margie. Hi, everybody. Woo, we're here. We're here. All right. So it is the most affordable that it's ever been. It's under $22, which is unheard of. And we just got back in a ton of new colors. So I wanted to just share it with you really quick. So we have Palm, and we have Egg Hunt, only 100 left in that Egg Hunt. The Patriotic was limited, the Romance was limited. So if you've been loving these kind of seasonal, you definitely want to check that out. Here we have Woodland. There's our taupe, our gray, our slate blue. We just got these back in stock, you guys. There's our buttercream and white. There were less than 100. So if you want that white, make sure you're picking it up. Hi, Mary. Good morning. Hi, Patty. We also, of course, have our floral lace. We have our yellow. Our taupe, she said, was the most limited. We have the gray, the black, the cranberry, the red, and the blue. We're going to see this in the Kitchen with David with Mary. But I just wanted to give you guys the jump start on this. So there's the gray, the taupe, there's the yellow, the red, the black, the green, the blue, and the confetti. And here were some of the things we did, like a house plant, cold punches, sangrias. How about, look at this for like a little picnic. How about putting a little fried chicken in there? We just put a little napkin. Of course, you can put it in regular. It's all food safe. We did a sweet little champagne bucket. We did a summertime soup with asparagus, 27 utensils, using it as a vase. Like, this is one of those items that, when I think about the brand and why I created it, was that magical transformation. P.S. And by the way, we have new coming up in the Kitchen with David, with Mary. Like these stacking mugs in our Believe. Here, walk with me. Walk with me. I'll give you guys another little sneak peek I wasn't planning on doing. Into the back, into the back, into the back. Okay. I'm so in love. I can't. Doodle do in the stacking mugs, 14 ounces. Is that Pawfetti you see? It absolutely is. And then, of course, we did Red Doodle. We did Palm. We did Patriotic. We did our Woodland in our buttercream. And look at this. We even did it in Olive Flutter. So that is coming up in the Kitchen with David. And then we also have the Store and More, and we have the drying mats back. So look, we're getting ready, getting everything set up. The drying mats are back. So here's the scoop, you guys. Everything is on free shipping and handling, which is a dream. I've already been putting a ton of things in my cart because we wait for these days, right? It's like the Super Bowl. It's the shopping Super Bowl. All right, you guys. Well, I will be back in the Kitchen with David at, I think my first time is 12:45. And then I think I'm on at like 2 and then like 3:15. So I will for sure keep you guys posted. Oh, Matthew, how was Disney? Quick. We were only there for 48 hours, but we had such a blast, Matthew. I'm telling you, that place is so much fun. And those magic bands and all the stuff, like, they're just, we had a blast. We had so much fun. Okay, so John's saying good morning. Susan's saying good morning. Hi, guys. Oh, yay. Marty got her bird bath yesterday. Love it. Yay. Thanks, Marty. I'm so happy to hear that. I've been hearing such wonderful things about everybody receiving their garden pieces. So a very cold 26 in Huntington, West Virginia this morning. Linda, did I ever tell you I went to school in Buchanan? I went to West Virginia Wesleyan, and only ever went to Huntington once, and loved it. Friends of mine lived there that were also at the school. And by the way, it was 36 degrees this morning in Rehoboth, and as I drove up here to Pennsylvania, it was 27. So it's cold. Weren't we just wearing short sleeves the other day? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. All right. Anyway. Oh, yeah. And Michael from Morgantown, West Virginia. Love all West Virginia representing. Oh, I loved West Virginia. I loved my time there. Best 4 years. Ugh, so much fun. All right. Well, that's it. So stay tuned, and I'll hop on and give you a heads up. But I think it's like 12:45-ish. 2:15-ish, I feel like that's right, and 3:15-ish, little behind the scenes here. Lots of long corridors and hallways, and some wispy hair. I don't know what that's all about. You know why? Because it's time for a haircut. Finally getting my hair done tomorrow. Yippee! All right, you guys, so good to see you. Enjoy your Sunday, and make sure you're tuning in for In the Kitchen with David, because it's going to be amazing, and everything's on free shipping. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.